Hey, I'm Sandro. Today I'm going to show you how I fix this guitar. I'm going to show you how I did it myself. I was looking on letgo and saw this guitar for sale for 40 bucks. The bridge was completely detached, and you can tell that the previous owner had this thing sitting in their basement because of how skunky everything smelled. For 40 bucks, it also came with a case, a couple books, and a music stand. I might do some other restoration videos on those as well at some point, minus the book because, I mean, who reads nowadays? I started by cutting and removing the old strings. The next step was to remove all of the old glue. I used a chisel to chip away at it and then sanded it all down. I followed these steps on the guitar itself as well, being careful I didn't scratch the finish of the guitar. I then blew away all of the dust with an air hose and removed the tuning pegs before gluing. From here, I applied some wood glue to the bridge and made sure that I spread it out evenly. I lined it up with the neck and then proceeded to clamping it down, making sure not to put too much pressure. If you're doing something like this, you want to make sure that you don't have too much clamping power. This worked like a charm. I used some soft scrap wood to clean up any of the excess glue. The next step was to clean the tuning pegs. I mixed together some baking soda and vinegar to scrub away at any of the grime. I then used some Vim, like that bathroom cleaner stuff, and a whole bunch of other various cleaning products to get these things cleaned. Once cleaned, I reassembled everything and proceeded to putting the guitar back together. Oh yeah, I wiped down the guitar too. I used some Windex to remove that skunky smell. While I was cleaning and wiping down the guitar, I noticed that one of the pieces inside the sound hole was cracked. I fixed this by adding some wood glue and clamping the piece back together. Once this was fixed, I then continued putting the guitar back together. It was then time to restring this bad boy. I want to say that this was my first time restringing a classical guitar, and let me tell you, it's not the most fun guitar to restring. Once tuned, the guitar was complete.